Assalamu alaikum. My name is Malaika Muazzam. My roll number is 14 and I am from the Department of BS Biotechnology. And today my topic is on CNS depressant. So let's get started. Central nervous system depressant work by increasing the production of neurotransmitters GABA, which in turn slow down brain activity. One type of CNS depressant are the sedatives. Drugs that have an inhibitory effect on the CNS to the degree that they reduce nervousness, excitability, and irritability. They really do not cause sleep and not genetic cause sleep, but they can become hypnotic if it given the margin of doses. Next is hypnotic. It causes sleep. They are much more potent effect on CNS than sedative. A sedative can become hypnotic if it is given in large enough doses. Also, number of response to this medication, whether it's sedative or hypnotic, can be based on particular individual response and the tolerance of to the indications. Sedative hypnotic dose dependent. Because we have many drugs that can be both sedative or hypnotic, we have highly finite terms called sedative hypnotics. At low dose calm CNS without inducing sleep. At high dose calm CNS to the point of causing sleep. CNS depressant depend upon its three main categories. It's barbiturates, benzodiazepines, and the last one is miscellaneous drugs. Barbiturates are any class of sedative and sleep-inducing drug derived from barbituric acid. A barbiturate is a drug that acts as a central nervous system depressant. Barbiturates have a tolerance to psychological effect, however, meaning that they are still viable option for long-term epilepsy. The next is benzodiazepines. They are depressant drugs. This means that they slow down the activity of central nervous system and the muscle traveling between brain and the body. They do not necessarily make a person feel depressed. Other depressants include alcohol, cannabis, and heroin. The last one is miscellaneous drugs. Miscellaneous antibiotics are antibiotics which are the only agent available in their class. This means that they are unique in their action and not comparable to other antibiotics, although the spectrum of certain side effects may be similar to other antibiotics. The next is sleep. Normal sleep is cyclic and repetitive. A sleeping person is unaware of sensory stimuli within the immediate environment. In sleep architecture, there are two: rapid eye movement REM sleep and non-REM sleep. REM sleep. REM is a unique phase of sleep in mammals and birds characterized by random rapid eye movement of the eyes accompanied by low muscle tone throughout body and the prosperity of the sleeper to dream vividly. Non-REM sleep. In dreamless sleep, during non-REM sleep, the brain wave on the electroencephalographic recording are typically slow and of high voltage. The breathing and heart rate are slow and regular. Blood pressure is low and sleeper is relatively still. Next is REM interference. REM interference is drug induced reduction in REM sleep that inversely caused by prolonged sedative hypnotic. Next is REM rebound. REM rebound is lengthening and increasing frequency use depth of REM sleep which occur after period of sleep deprivation. People take less time than usual to attain REM state. So let's talk about drugs. There is benzodiazepines. Formerly the most prescribed sedative hypnotic drug, benzodiazepines most frequently prescribed. We have known the sedative drug and hypnotic drug that have less protest of reuse, which in the benzodiazepines are a class of a psychoactive drug of whose chemical structure is a fuel of a benzene ring and a diazepine ring. The next is classification. Classified is sedative, hypnotic, and anxiolytic. That medication that relieve anxiety. The way they classified benzodiazepines, those remembered they made sedative or hypnotic based on the drug and the same implies which anxiolytic effect. Much of the classification is based on dose. Next is types. Benzodiazepine sedative hypnotic types. The first one is long acting, immediate acting, and short acting. Long acting include diazepam and clonazepam. Diazepam, first marketed as Valium, is a medicine of benzodiazepine family that typically produce calming effect. The next is clonazepam. Clonazepam, sold under the brand Klonopin, among others, is a medication used to prevent and treat seizures, panic disorder, and the movement disorders known as akathisia. It is tranquilizer of the benzodiazepine class. It is taken by mouth, effect being within 1 hour and lasts between 6 and 12 hours. Next is immediate acting include alprazolam, lorazepam, and temazepam. Alprazolam is used to treat anxiety and panic disorders. It belongs to a class of medications called benzodiazepines, which act on the brain and nerves to produce calming effect. It works by enhancing the effect of a certain natural chemicals in the body. The next is lorazepam, sold under the brand name Ativan. Among others is a benzodiazepines medication. It is used to treat anxiety disorder, trouble sleeping, active seizures including status epileptus, alcohol withdrawal, and chemotherapy induced nausea and vomiting. Next is temazepam. Temazepam, sold under the brand name Restoril, among others, is a medication used to treat insomnia. Such use should generally be for less than 10 days. It is taken by mouth. Effect generally begin within an hour and last for up to 8 hours. Next is short acting. Short acting include midazolam and trizolam. Midazolam, marketed under the trade name Worst, among others, is a benzodiazepines medication used for anesthesia, procedural sedation, trouble sleeping, and severe agitation. It works by inducing sleepiness, decreasing anxiety, and causing a loss of ability to create new memories. And trizolam. Trizolam, sold under the brand name Halcyon, among others, is a central nervous system depressant tranquilizer of the triazolobenzodiazepines class, which are benzodiazepine derivatives. Next is benzodiazepines mechanism of action. Depressed CNS activity affects hypothalamic, thalamic, and limbic system of the brain. Benzodiazepine receptor gamma aminobutyric acid. Gamma aminobutyric acid. Gamma aminobutyric acid or gamma hydroxybutyric acid, also known as 4-hydroxybutyric acid, is a naturally occurring neurotransmitter and a psychoactive drug. It is precursor to GABA, glutamate, and glycine in certain brain active areas. It also acts on the GHB receptor and is really against at the GABA receptors. They do not suppress rapid eye movement, sleep as much as barbiturates do. Do not increase metabolism of other drugs. Benzodiazepines drug effect. The calming effect on the central nervous system. They are useful in controlling agitation and anxiety. They can reduce excessive sensory stimulation, inducing sleep. They induce skeletal muscle relaxation. Because of these effects, they are also treated when using opioids, and are hearing about opioid crisis of the opioid overdose result to benzodiazepines in conjunction with opioids. So these are indication of benzodiazepines: sedation, sleep induction, skeletal muscle relaxation. We have anxiety relief for anxiety related depressions. Really have to careful. Patients are taking drug for that reason. Depression and anxiety commonly occur together and have similar treatments. Counseling or medications such as antidepressant are both. Treatment of continued treatment of acute seizure disorders, treatment of alcohol withdrawal, agitation relief, balance, anesthesia, and moderate unconscious sedations. So sometimes benzodiazepines are really adverse effects that can occur. Benzodiazepine adverse effects. It's mild and infrequent. Headache, drowsiness, dizziness, cognitive impairment, vertigo. Vertigo is a sensation of feeling off balance. It will have the disease smells who might feel like you are spinning or the world around you is spinning. And the next is lethargy. Pathological state of sleepiness are deep unresponsiveness and inactive. The fall hazard for elderly people and the last is hangover effect or daytime sleepiness. It is referred to a set of symptoms that occur as a consequence of excessive alcohol use. Next is benzodiazepine toxicity and overdose. It's somnolence, confusion, coma, diminished reflexes, do not cause hypertension and respiratory depression unless taken with other CNS depressant treatments. Symptomatic and supportive flumazenil as an antidote. Flumazenil is a selective GABA receptor again administered via injection, otic insertion, or intransnally. Benzodiazepines interactions. Azole antifungals, verapamil, diltiazem, protease inhibitory, macrolide, antibiotics, and grapefruit juice. Azole antifungals. Azole antifungals are used to treat thrush, wheat infection, candidiasis, tinea versicolor, athlete foot, jock itch, ringworm, nail fungus, fungal infection, and seborrheic dermatitis. They work by slowing down and preventing the growth of fungus. Next is Verapamil, sold under various trade names, is a calcium channel blocker medication used for the treatment of high blood pressure, angina, and supraventricular. It may also be used for the prevention of migraines and cluster headache. It is given by mouth or by injection into a vein. Next is diltiazem, sold under brand name Cardizem. Among others, is a chemical channel blocker medication used to treat high blood pressure, anemia, and certain heart arrhythmias. It may all be also used in hyperthyroidism. If beta blocker cannot be used, it is taken by mouth or injection into a vein. Next is inhibitors. Protease inhibitors are a class of antiviral drugs that are widely used to treat HIV, AIDS, and hepatitis C. Protease inhibitors prevent viral replication by selecting binding to viral protease and blocking proteolytic cleavage of protein precursors that are necessary for the production of infectious viral particles. The next is macrolide. The macrolide are a class of natural products that consist of a large macrocyclic lactone ring to which one or more deoxy sugar, usually cladinose and disosamine, may be attached. The lactone ring are usually 14, 15, or 16 membered. Macrolide belong to the polyketide class of natural products. Grapefruit juice. Grapefruit juice is a juice from grapefruit. It is rich in vitamin C and range from sweetheart to very sour. Variations include white grapefruit, pink grapefruit, and ruby red grapefruit. The next is CNS depressants, that is alcohol and opioids. Alcohol. Some people think of alcohol as a stimulant that can increase your heart rate, give you energy, and decrease your inhibitions. However, this is not the whole story. Alcohol has some initial stimulant effect, but it's primarily a depressant, meaning it slows your body down. Opioids. Opioids are substances that, when reaching opioid receptor, have effects similar to those of morphine. Medically, they are primarily used for pain relief, including anesthesia. Next is olanzapine. It is used to treat certain mental mood conditions such as bipolar disorder. It may be used in combination with other medication to treat depression. Then the next is rifampin. Rifampin, also known as rifampicin, is also known as rifampin, is an antibiotic used to treat several types of bacterial infections, including tuberculosis, mycobacterium avium complex, leprosy, and Legionnaires' disease. Next is CNS depressant non-benzodiazepine hypnotics. Share many characteristics of benzodiazepines used to treat insomnia. Examples: Xarelto, zolpidem, azolicone, and melatonin. Xaliflon is a very short-acting pyrazolopyrimidine elimination half-life of 1 hour with no active metabolites, which limit its duration of action and use but significantly reduce hangover effect. Hangover risk. Xaliflon is useful in treating insomnia characterized by trouble falling asleep or waking during the night. Next is zolpidem. Is an imidazopyridine and predominantly hypnotic due to its high affinity for alpha 1 subunits. Next is isoplicone, sold under the brand name Lunesta. Among others, is a medication used in the treatment of insomnia. Evidence supports slight to moderate benefits up to 6 months. It is taken orally. Common side effects include headache, dry mouth, nausea, and dizziness. And then next is Rimalton. Rimalton is sold under brand name Rosarum. Among other is a sleep agent medication that selectively bind to MT1 and MT2 receptors in suprachiasmatic nucleus instead of binding to GABA receptors such as with drug like zolpidem. Azoplicone and extended relief zolpidem approved for long-term therapy. CNS depressant non-benzodiazepine hypnotic continuous Melton Rosarum do not cause CNS depression nor potential for abuse, no withdrawal signs and symptoms. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.